welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. Today a vendor sent me a free product. This is a paid review. Let's get straight to it. This is a screw extraction kit, screw and bolt extraction kit. These are awesome. These are awesome for anybody who's a tool person in your family, Father's Day present, anything. Whoever the tool person in your, if you have a rusted screw that needs removing, this is what you need. Screws, bolts, what have you. This is going to get it out for you. Let's open it up. I've had a couple of these kits. These work awesome. Let me explain how it works. If you've never had one of these kits, so let's say you have this screw and it is rusted into a metal piece. What you're going to do is you are going to find a drill bit. In this case, I'm going to go 11/64, and you are going to drill. If this was stuck, let's say my hand was a metal piece, you're going to drill in there, and it's rusted in. You're going to drill a hole straight down into the screw. A good decent amount in there, probably say 1/4 of an inch, maybe 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch in there. You're going to just drill that screw out, and then you're going to take, that was an 11/64. So then you would take a matching extractor and you just put it on your ratchet tool, and these are threaded backwards, so when you screw these into that hole, it will grab on into that hole. They're really a tough metal, so they make their own, they screw into that metal and they drag it in there and they grab on into that hole and they will extract your screw. Just that easy. And they work awesome. So if you have somebody who needs some tools, and I mean, look at how big they go up to. That's a big bolt you can get out of there. I mean, here's a bolt here that you can do, and here's a bolt here that you could get out with. I mean, I don't even have a bolt that big. This is a large bolt. So, but you can do it with this one right here. You just drill a hole in there and pull that one out. So go out and get your screw extraction kit today.